Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I show you best once human FPS settings. Once human allow you to experiment with different settings to discover the best one for you. Whether it is a wide variety of camera settings, customization or adjusting the video settings to your liking for maximum performance. There are several alternatives to consider. To get the best possible performance and optimize FPS, go to the game setting option to change the settings. From there you go to the video settings category and then the performance part of the page. At the top of the performance choices, you will find many presets from very low to very high, while these default might be useful for the best PCs. Customizing the variables individually can provide a far better gameplay experience without compromising FPS or causing issues with performance. Here are the optimal ones human settings to performance and frame rates. Display mode, full screen. Resolution, use the native resolution of your monitor. You can check your monitor native resolution in your PC display settings. Brightness, adjust according to your preference. Max frame rate, no restriction. Optimize for best performance and less input lag. Can also be kept at 60/120 for low end setups. Texture quality, high. Low if less than 4 GB VRAM. Random scale, 100. Optimize for best performance. Anti-aliasing, low to reduce input latency. Shade, low. VFX, high. If you have a low-end setup, you can use lower according to your preference. Draw distance, middle. VSync, disabled. Motion blur, disabled. Vegetation density, low/mid according to preference. Detail, low. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.